Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Englewood, local and long distance movers near me. Unlike moving from your street to the next, moving from state to state requires more effort. But hiring the services of a company would make the process easier and faster. Some important points to look out for when searching for the right company that would help you migrate conveniently are professionalism and accreditation for transporting long distance, affordable pricing, packing and unpacking services, and accurate time management. 3 Movers offers all of this. Hiring the services of the right long-distance moving company is important because it ensures the possibility of a smooth local move as well. The best part is prices are cheaper when moving locally than farther distances. At a whopping range of $240 to $8,400, moving locally per bedroom just got easier, while saving you the possibility of injuries, strains, and property loss. 3 men and a truck ensures you settle in comfortably. With the availability of our resources and professional team, moving for you is an easy peasy. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Englewood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.